Hey guys, welcome to another Minisode on the photo department. Today, I'm drinking lemon seltzer. Seltzer. It's the Refresh brand from Safeway. These are super cheap and pretty good. I haven't been drinking a lot of soda. I've been trying to cut down, and seltzer is a lot better than soda. It's water with bubbles. So I'm drinking more water and drinking less soda, which is good, right? I had 2 cups of coffee today. Nope. I had 3. I had 3 cups of coffee. This morning I went to Timeless and had coffee. Oh, here's the cup. Still sitting on my desk. Then I went to States Coffee in Martinez and had coffee there. I had 2 coffees. I had a cappuccino and a mocha. So I've had a lot of coffee today. Alright, I've been really busy. I got a new job, which is really exciting. I shot a wedding, I've been doing some other portrait stuff, but I got really lucky and I landed a really great job in San Francisco. I'm working at Levi's in-house as a photographer in their Eureka lab, which is their research and development lab. So I can't really talk about a lot about what I'm photographing right now, but it's really cool and I'm super lucky to be involved in the process and getting to work with a really great company like Levi's. So that's cool. So that's taken up most of my time during the week. Anyway, I just wanted to make a little mini-sode really quick to tell you guys about some film. I haven't done a film review in a while, so I thought I'll do one now. So today we're talking about the Fujicolor C200. This film is really affordable. I've shot it a bunch of times before, but when I went on my last trip to New York in April, I bought a bunch of it at K&M. Pretty much shot most of my trip in New York on the C200. As well as some Natura 1600, some Kodak Gold 200, and I think I shot some a bunch of Fuji Industrial as well. So the 24 exposure version is like $2.99 everywhere, which is super cheap, like really cheap. So I bought a ton of that when I was in New York, and I just finished the last of it, I think. My favorite camera store, Glass Key in San Francisco, only sells the 36 frame version, which is $1 more, so I bought a bunch here as well. This is one of my favorite films because of the economy. Buying a lot of this is not a lot of money, and because of the quality that you get for that amount of money. I wouldn't say it's the highest fidelity film, but when you're shooting 35mm film on a point and shoot, which is what most of the shooting that I've done with this film has been, you're getting really incredible results for not a lot of money. But when you shoot it on a high quality camera with a really good lens, like my Nikon f2 with the 50mm f1.4 or the 55mm f2.8, you get amazing color rendition, really good detail. It's just a really great looking film. I really love it. I didn't know what the difference between this and the Superior 200 was for a while. I've done a bunch of research and did some digging, and it turns out I think the only difference between the C200 and Superior 200 is that the C200 is the old emulsion with the 3 layers, and Superior is the newer, more modern emulsion with that 4th color layer. So more color depth with the Fuji Superior, I would guess. I don't see a huge difference, but there is a difference in the way the greens are rendered. They're a little warmer with the Superior. But that red rendering is very apparent in this and in the Superior, and even more so in the Industrial 400, where it's very saturated. It's not as saturated here. It's a little more to the pink side, I would say, but it's still a really great rendering of reds. So I really like this film for that. I think it's a really good all-around film. It's great for portraits. It's great for street photography, if that's your thing, and especially at that price point, you can't really beat it. So that's all I'm going to say about this film. I'm going to show you guys some examples of the film that I shot in New York and here, and you can make your own decision. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments section. Yeah, and thanks for watching another video. I hope you guys like these examples. I'll see you